Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Elsa Amalia Latif from Chemistry Education B in 2020. I will present the modification of sulfur. Detailed modification of sulfur. Objective 1. To study several modifications of sulfur. 2. To study characteristics of hydrogen sulfide and H2SO4. Literature review. Sulfur is a chemical element in the periodic table that has the symbol as an atomic number. Its shape is non-metal which has no taste, no smell, and multivalent. Sulfur is multivalent that still and others non-metal element the number. Sulfur valency forms is always sulfur 2, perceived in various chemical properties biochemistry. Element sulfur as the cathode materials in natural abundance, unfortunately, friendly and cost effective. Sulfur is widely available in nature as an element, as H2S and NSO2 in sulfur metals and sulfur. Experimental work schema. Modification of sulfur. 1. Blend 0.5 gram of sulfur in a version soup by heating the sulfur until it melts and let it freeze. Observe crystal stripes. 2. Heat 0.5 gram of sulfur powder in the test tube while skinning the tube. Observe the sulfur color change. Characteristic of sulfur acid. 1. Heat a piece of copper in the test tube containing 1 ml H2SO4, not boiling. Observe the activity in the test tube. 2. Place the filter paper moistened with H2SO4 solution in the mouth of the test tube. The test tube in step 1. Observe the color change on the filter paper. 3. Put score in the test tube and view drops of concentrated H2SO4. Observe and take a note activity in the test tube. 4. Put 2 of acetic acid into the tube. Add 2 ml of ethanol and 2 ml of concentrated H2SO4. Heat the test tube using a Bunsen burner. Observe and take a note the activity in the test tube. Modification of sulfur. In this experiment, two projects were carried out, namely the modification of sulfur and the properties of sulfuric acid. At first, the sulfur which is distilled in powder form turns into yellow crystal because it is heated with organelles as solid to liquid and solid to form crystal. Characteristic of sulfur acid. In the second experiment, heating copper in the test tube containing H2SO4 and the solution published format and the black solution look for the properties of hydrogen and sulfur acid. Then the filter paper was moistened with H2SO4 product by observing the change in the color of the paper with inside and reaction occurred. In addition, in the reaction of sulfur acid with H as dehydrogenate or sugar, this reaction produces carbon and water dissolved in sulfuric acid. Conclusion. Based on the experiment, it can be concluded that the modification of sulfur can be seen from the exchange in the structure of the sulfur itself, which is marked by crystal form. Next is sulfur acid has properties, namely as oxidizing agent as a hydrogen agent. Thank you.